Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this leather medication organizer. This is for a 7-day supply for your morning and evening pills. Alright, so right here we have our pill organizer. This one comes in a nice leather case. So you could put your medications, vitamins, fish oils, pills, and supplements. This is a PU leather portable. It's BPA free. You have a privacy protection so nobody can see your medication because it is a nice closed little purse. So first off, when we get in here, you can see we have 7 different bottles. Purple, teal, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So these represent the days of the week. So on the other side of these pills, it also has the day. So you got Mondays, Sundays, you got the morning and night. So you can rub this off several times and it won't come off. And then you just snap these open. They're pretty deep in here. You can fit several pills inside of these ones. And like I said, they don't rub off. You can scratch it off, but it won't come off. So you can keep your medication safe, especially if you take fish pills. The sunlight can damage those. You get a little mesh backing on this purse. So right here you have your Sundays, your Fridays, your Mondays. You got Thursdays, Wednesdays, Tuesdays. So they're in these nice little fun colors. And the good thing about these that they are clear and see-through so you can see if you've taken your medication for that day or not. So these are BPA free, means it is safe to take. You can keep your meds effective. The PU leather is a strong bag, light proof to ensure your pills won't lose the potency due to the direct sunlight. So they're pretty tall. And they do have a snapping clip so they won't open up and your pills won't fall out. They're really thick plastic. So this one right here has your day of the week, which is Thursday. On the other side they don't. It's just on the front facing. So the bag is made of a sturdy quality material which hinges the zippers and silk pads to be reused more than 10,000 times, saving you from frequency change of your vitamin organizer. So when you're out and about on vacations or whatever, instead of carrying the little capsules themselves, you can put them in this, and then inside the bag, because they do have a pink color and then they have a gray color, you can just put it in your suitcases and you're ready to go. It has a nice little zipper. So this is what they look like. And you just close it up here like this, and it's got a nice little zipper to protect your medication. It's a really nice bag itself with a mesh backing, so if you have other things you want to bring there like insulin, you can just put it back here like that. So each one of these compartments are a 1.2 by a 1.7 by a 0.63 inches. That's the dimensions of the compartments themselves. So you could put in several pills at the same time. You have your morning and you have your noon. So if you have pills that you take in the morning, you could put it on the top. If you have evening pills, they have them on the bottom. So this is a 7-day supply in this little mesh bag. So when you're out on a vacation and you don't want your medications ruined due to the sun, you just go ahead and zip this up and it will protect your medication. It's a really nice sturdy little bag. If you're not interested in the pink one, they do offer this in gray. You can see that the zipper is a really good quality. The best thing about this is the nice little colors that these little containers are in. Little vibrant colors. I like the bag, so when I'm out and about and I want to take my medication discreetly, it actually holds on my medication. I don't got to worry about anything falling out or any spillage. And the fact that the pill containers actually lock and you don't need a hairband just to close them, I think this is a plus.